If you've ever seen Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory movie, there was a portion in there where he was telling them that, did you read the rules? You remember that? And Charlie had gotten in trouble, something to do with the rules. But at any rate, so there's something really interesting in the rules, and I don't know if this is just some kind of error or maybe I'm not reading it right. However, it talks about the limit of how many times that you can enter, which every time you enter a code, that little sticker you get on your chocolate bar, that's considered an entry. That's an instant win entry, and then it automatically goes into the grand prize entry too as well. So here it says that you can have a limit of 2,340 game plays or instant win entries per person. That means when you buy chocolate bars, if you buy 5,000, only 2,340 game plays for the instant win entries. That's all you're allowed per email address. But then you need to go down to paragraph 9. And it says, if it's discovered during verification that you have entered or attempted to enter or use multiple accounts to enter more than the stated limit, you will be disqualified. Maybe I'm wrong. I noticed that I thought that there was only like one ticket left. I could be wrong on that. And now there's 3, unless he's had more prizes or somebody decided they didn't want it or they were disqualified. I don't know. But it says at the discretion of the administrator, they will be void. So it doesn't say what account is, but I would say that's probably email, but I could be wrong. So go back to paragraph 3, and then it talks about the limits. That was mentioned in paragraph 9. Limit of up to 2,340 game plays or instant win entries. And keep in mind, when you take the sticker off the chocolate bar, that's an instant win. That little thing you spin, okay? But then every instant win gets entered into the grand prize win. And then there's other ways that you can get extra codes, like through emails or through sharing on social media. So the maximum that you can get of entries per person per email address is 2,360. So that means the entries for the grand prize, which is where you get the, trip to the chocolate factory and the other big prizes. And people are looking for this golden ticket, like in the chocolate bars, like they saw in the Willy Wonka Factory. That's not how it works. You actually get it through the grand prize drawings that they have once a month. So at any rate, 2,360 maximum sweepstakes entries per person per email address, which I think means account. See paragraph 9. But then go and look at this. How many times can I enter? And then it says a different number. 2,760 times throughout the course of sweepstakes. So I don't know why it says a different number there. Unless that means that, I don't know. I don't know if that's a difference between this number, which is, there's only a 20 difference in that. So that means you can get 2,340 instant win entries, which also go into the grand prize, and then you get an extra. You can earn up to 20. See, the number difference there is 20. Then you can get an additional 20 via, like extra codes you get through the emails or sharing on social media. So I don't know where they're getting that extra 10 in there. Well, no, actually it's more than that. It's 2,760. So I just think that if there's any confusion or if there's any error there, or maybe I'm not understanding the rules, I would just go by what this says. So people that are buying thousands, don't enter. I personally would not enter more than that many times with the codes from the candy bars because of what it says in paragraph 9. Prize honor limitations. If it's discovered you've entered or attempted to enter or use multiple accounts, which I think means emails, but I could be wrong, to enter more than the stated limit, you will be disqualified if the administrator chooses so. So I think people should pay close attention to that. Anyways, I just thought it was worth noting.